What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to the Lock Shed. I am back after a couple weeks of not making any videos. It was just too dang cold in the shed, guys. I'm sorry. Lock Shed was frozen. Uh, so we're going to start off with a video of a challenge lock. And this one is made by a good friend, Phantomfuego, and this is his #1 challenge lock. He's calling it Phantomfuego 1. And we got a keef with it. He did not mummify it, which is just a-okay. Makes it a little easier for us. It does work. It does work nicely. And we're going to attempt to pick at it. This is my first try on it. And we're going to go ahead and get it lined up here. There we go. Make sure I didn't put it in too tight. Yes. Yes. Okay. All right. Let's see what we can do. So I always follow the rules of the Bosnian bill and do a 10-minute trial and error as soon as I find a top of the keyway. I always like top of the keyway. Yes. Zoom in a little bit. Let's get in some good footage. There we go. There we go. All right. Let's start the show. So Phantomfuego, he's a pretty cool guy. I've been talking with him on Discord. He does not have a YouTube channel, but he does make challenge locks. And we're going to try out this one. Oh, I'm using Elephant Trunk number 25,000s by Southern Specialties. I might switch to 20,000s. This one seems a little bit heavy. As a matter of fact, I am going to switch to the 20,000s. Right here. And here we go. All right. Let's see what we got here. I'm going to start in the back. So I just lifted everything. I don't like how that felt, so I'm going to start over. I'm starting the front. Really interesting. I'm not really getting a lot of feedback out of this. What if I try counterclockwise? There, I got a good click. Number 5, it feels like it's binding, but once you start lifting it up, it just gives you nothing. There was a click on 1. Another click there on 4. That was a click on 2. There was a click on 4 again, I think. I'm getting, there we go. That was like a click on 2. Maybe some feedback on 1. I'll leave 1 alone. Getting a lot of good clicks. All right, I'm gonna go back to clockwise. And I think I just clicked on one. Yeah, maybe. That was a click. That might have been a good click, I think. This thing is not giving me like, it's giving me like zero feedback. Like I can't tell if I'm setting anything or if I'm just lifting nothing. Where's pin 1? Right there? No? I'm gonna drop it and see if I actually got anything set. I had like one pin drop after all that work. Let me try really hard tension. Huh? Sticking with the hard tension. Okay, I think 5 just set. And 1, I got a slight movement when I hit 1. I'm gonna go back to the 25 thousandths elephant trunk. See if I got something going on. That might have been 2. That might have been something. Getting a lot of clicking. Hmm. And my 10 minutes are just about up for trial number 1. You've got some good stuff in here. Ooh, I got a nice deep fall set, and it's an open right at the very end of the 10 minutes. Look at that. Okay, Phantomfuego. This thing is awesome. The whole entire time picking it, like, zero feels. Like, you can barely tell if you actually had something set or not. This is great. I can't wait to see what's in this. Oh no, it's still in my sorry about that. I just tipped over my camera. I'm still gonna count it because I don't know if I can do this again in that much time. Let's get it down. There we go. All right. Why am I tipsy? There we go. The camera's feeling a little tipsy here, a little drunk. There. All right, let's get it open, and let's get that tailpiece. I happen to have a Schlag tailpiece remover, which will come in handy. There we go. Phantomfuego, man, this is an excellent challenge lock. He did say I can move it along to anybody else who's interested. So if anybody's interested in this challenge lock, please let me know, and I will send it your way. So let's see, there we go, like that. Uh-oh, something's stopping me. There we go. Whew. Oh, I did lose something. Hold on. I got something sitting in there. I think I lost it because of that. But I got all the top pins in there still. So let's set him aside. And I'm pretty sure he's going to be 1 or 2 on the top pins. These are the key pins, sorry. So let's drop it. This is almost a gutting disaster. We got ourselves a standard. Fuego, man, if these are all standards. Okay, there we go. There we go. Ooh, nice handmade pin right there. We'll take a look at it. Standard. Really, buddy? After all that hard work of me picking at it, there's all standards? Man, you must have done some really good stuff to this thing. Nothing going on the core here. All right. So remember, I have this guy sitting here, so one of these is missing. Hopefully it'll be a simple, it's this one. So let's jump this guy out. We got ourselves a nice serrated. And I'm gonna drop this, there we go, spring out, because he might have different springs in here. There we go. And we have another serrated. Why are you sitting up? There we go. Let's see here, another spring. Right there. Okay. I just want to show you guys this is nothing but a spring. So this has to be from number 3. Oh, glad I didn't mess that up. There we go. I would have been pretty nervous to tell Fuego that I bricked his first challenge lock. There we go. Let's jump right here. Nothing in this chamber. This is a chamber for 6, but he's only got a 5-pinner going. Ooh, what do we got going on here? We got a lovely homemade. There we go. And last but not least, we got a, looks like a piece of a key pin. We'll take a look. There we go. There we go. Take a look at the core. Nothing's different on the core. I don't know what that is. Did he, if he put something there, if that was something he did, but I'm not seeing, it doesn't line up with anything, so I don't think that's anything important. Fuego, if you have a answer for this hole, let me know. Put it in the comments. I'm sure the people are wondering. All right, let's take a look at these key pins. As much as a pain in the butt this pick was, these are not what I was expecting. So here we have just 4 standard key pins. One, I want to say, is this one of Sparrow's chest pins? Or is this a homemade? Upside down as a key pin. I love it. That's perfect. That worked out great. That's probably what I was doing. I was probably slipping off of that ball, you know, so you couldn't get a good feel for it. And then we just have a bunch of like nice, lovely serrateds. This looks like a small, like American lock serrated. That's probably why it fell out of me. Fell out of, you know, out of this one right here. I don't know, will these ones actually fit going through there? Oh, these would have fallen out too. But that's what got me on gutting. And this here we have a, I'm going to say this used to be a key pin, but he filed the tip off, so now it's just a serrated top pin. Very lovely. And then here we got a nice serrated with a, I guess like a rounded spool, I would call that. Very nice. I'm not sure if that's homemade. I want to say it is, or is this one of those like fancy Sparrow kit things? I'm not too sure. Fuego, you'll have to let us know. But there it is, folks. Phantomfuego's #1 challenge lock. Well done. Great challenge lock. All right, guys. Thank you guys for watching. That was a little bit of a good... That was a little bit longer than I thought it was going to be for picking wise. No. Not that I mean like it was like, oh, it was going to be an easy... I mean, I was going to give up there and all of a sudden it just opened. There you guys go. Please subscribe. Please like. Please comment. Please do it all. And thank you guys for watching and happy picking.